Today we are going to see how do we create a React application which you have seen earlier videos. Okay, just go through that video and we are going to see how do we create a class level component. Okay, class component and functional component. Okay, today we are going to discuss about what is class component and function component. Before that, we just go through our previous video and see that how do we install the React.js. If you are not installed, please check that video and install the React.js. Okay, and create a one React application. Okay, create one React application. Just go through that video. To if you are already installed the React.js, we have a one command to create React application. Npx create hyphen React hyphen app is the predefined component we installed and your application name. My application name is my app. So press enter. So for a time saving purpose, I have already installed this one and I have opened the same code in my Visual Studio, right? Okay guys, okay, the folder structure will be like node modules, public, source. So whatever the code we are going to run it, the final code whatever we are going to see, it is in app.js file. Okay, to run this one, open terminal. Okay, new terminal and type npm start. Okay, so I'm just going to kill this terminal, open terminal. So npm start start. So it will going to run it here. So by default it will open in your browser. So this is how we have created. So now we are going to see how do we create, okay, class level component. Okay, before that one I just want to explain, we require to install one extension for ready-made templates. So you don't need to type everything in here. So there is an extension called ES7 plus React Redux. Just spell it properly and install it. Okay, it will install globally. So the advantage of this one is we are going to see it here. If I want to create a class level component, right, I want to create a class level component. So if I want to create a class level component, I am just typing react class level component export, react class component export. Okay, whatever the predefined template we require, it will automatically come here. So what I am doing here, I am just renaming my first class. So I'm just running, so it will automatically display here my first class. Okay, so if I want to assign something to a some property and I want to use this one here, so now I want to declare a concept called state. Okay, if I want to assign something to this name, this is my first class. Okay, so we are creating a class which is extending from the a predefined thing called component. So I want to use it here. So How do we use it? Write a curly braces this, because we are working in a class level, so we have to declare it as a this dot. What is this? State. What is the property value? Name. Run it. It's simple, right? We have typed one typo mistake, so it's very simple, right? This is my first class. So the class level components, the class level components previously used very useful, because the state management is we are going to useful here. And from the version 6.8 onwards, the most of the people started using the functional level components. Why the people are migrating from the class level component to functional level components, we are going to see it in our next videos, because when we started using them, we are going to find out that what is the uses in that. So first we will do one thing. We will create a one class level component, sorry, functional level component. React arrow function, right? Component RAFCE export. Okay, this is my function. Okay, so it will also written by default one HTML, whether it is a class level component or functional level component. It are going to return a one piece of code, right? This is my function. So the same scenario, I want to use it here. So I want to declare a state, one state variable, and I want to assign something to it. The state level things are not, the state level management is not possible in the class level, sorry, functional level components. So to overcome this, they have introduced one concept called React hooks. By using a hook, you can declare a state and you can assign data to it. Okay, so how do we use this? We have to import something called, there is a React hook called use state. It's very simple, use state. So to assign this, we have to declare one constant. It's a predefined syntax, guys. We are not writing anything more than that. It's a property name, okay, like a name. So if I want to set something, we want to declare it like a set name. Okay, so here you are assigning something to this. Okay, so what is our name? Use state, right? So you are passing something to the state. So this is my function. It's very simple, guys. First time it will be maybe confused, but something like, you have to declare something like a constant array. It's a property name. So if you want to change something later, so how do we change it? You want to call it as a set name. So set name, this is second function. So it will automatically, the name will be changed to the name, whatever thing in the name, it change it to, this is my second function. Okay, so how do we use it? We are using this in a functional level, no need to call this and everything. So simply you will say name. Okay, save this one. See it here, this is my function. Guys, we are going to see why do we go for functional level components, what are the advantages in that, what is the React hooks, and how many types are there. These things we are going to further discuss in our further videos. This is the most useful concept. Today we have discussed about the what is class level component, what is functional level component, how do we declare a variable, how do we use them in the UI. It's very simple, guys. Okay, thank you.